Welcome to our channel.
The flag of Japan consists of red circle on white background. The red circle represent sun, moon, star. Sun is the best answer. The flag of United States has dash stripes 13, 20, 15. 13 is the best answer. The flag of United Kingdom is known as the Union Cross, Union Jack, Royal Flag. Union Jack is the best answer. The flag of Canada feature a red maple leaf in the center of the leaf represent freedom, peace, nature. Nature is the best answer. The flag of France consists of three vertical stripes of blue, white, and red, yellow, green. Red is the best answer. The flag of Italy is vertical tricolor of green, white, and yellow, red, blue. Red is the best answer. The flag of Brazil feature a green field with a yellow diamond and dash star 27, 26, 25. 27 is the best answer. The flag of India has three horizontal stripes saffron, white, and blue, green, yellow. Green is the best answer. The flag of Germany consists of three horizontal stripes in black, red, and dash gold, blue, green. Gold is the best answer. The flag of South Africa features a Y shape and color 643. 6 is the best answer.
Thank you for watching.